2,212 miles on a 2020 Softail Heritage Classic. That's barely any miles. This bike is pretty much in its stock configuration. Comes with a windshield and LED driving lights and headlights stock, and a security system and ABS. But the only custom edition on this bike is the custom license plate holder right there. Everything else is stock. It's just looking for somebody to jazz it up a little bit, or if this is enough for you, then perfect. It's a great low mileage cruiser slash light duty touring bike. It's probably one of the most popular bikes that Harley-Davidson ever manufactured and continues to manufacture now that they've consolidated a lot of their lines. So if you're interested, come on down. Heritages go fast, especially low mileage ones.